Welcome to this video. In this part, you are going to learn how to work with AdobeXD, and I will show you how can we do horizontal scroll view and vertical scroll view in AdobeXD. So before jumping to the design section, let me clarify a few things. So I do have a complete masterclass course on Udemy. So it says AdobeXD Masterclass Become a Professional UI UX Designer. So in this course, you are going to learn a lot of things from basic to advanced level. So if you want to enroll to this course, you can simply join to this course. If you want to get the discount coupon, you can simply join to my Facebook group, and if you need free coupon, you can also join to my Facebook group. You will get the group link in the description below. Now let's move on to the design section. So first and foremost, once you will open your Adobe XD, you will be able to see this kind of user interface. If you have worked few projects, then you will be able to see this type of recent tab. Otherwise, you will only see this one. So we're going to work on mobile app. Therefore, I'm going to click on this one. If you want, you can change it later. So it is going to create a new iPhone X artboard for us, and here you go. So we got this one, and in here we can see this kind of user interface, and in the left side corner we have our in the left side corner we have all sort of tools, and in the right side corner we will be able to customize our design. So first and foremost, I'm gonna change the name. We can say here scroll. Alright, and now first I'm gonna add ellipse tool here. So I'm gonna draw a ellipse here. So select the ellipse and hold your mouse, then you can drag it, and if you want you can customize it this way. And I need a circle, so I must put here similar height and weight. So I'm gonna add 100 weight and 100 height. So this W means weight and this S means height. So we will get these types of height and weight. Now I'm gonna add a background color for it, and once you will click on this fill option, you will be able to see a color palette here, and from here you can select your desired color. If you want to have a gradient here, simply click on linear gradient or radial gradient, and here you go. Then you can add your gradient this way. Okay, this is the thing. And in here we have a little bit of border. If you want, you can remove it. So by clicking on this option, the border will be removed, and we don't have any border right here. Now we need to have a couple of options, like we need to have few more options, few more ellipse, so that we can do horizontal scroll view. For doing this thing, first select this ellipse, then click on this repeat grid, and then I can easily duplicate it here and duplicate it couple of more times so that we can do our horizontal scroll view. So we have this one, so select this group. Now it's a group, and in here you will be able to see two icons. One is for horizontal scroll view, you can see horizontal scroll view, and one is for vertical scroll view. There is an important thing. These features are only available in the updated version, so you need to make sure that you have the updated version. Let me show you the updated version what I'm using currently. So this is the version of 33.1.124. okay, however you will get a recent updated version as well, so you need to make sure that you are using the updated version, otherwise you will not be able to get these features. Once you will select this group that you want to do horizontal scroll view, simply click on this horizontal. Okay, then you will be able to see this icon will appear this way. If you want, you can simply adjust it, no problem at all. Alright, now let me run it. So here is our project. Now I can do horizontal scroll view. See, now it is working. Alright, and if you want, you can simply change the background color for each and every item. So for doing this thing, first you need to make sure that you are doing ungroup grid, then you can change the design for each and every ellipse tool. Here you go. And this one, for this one, and for this one I'm gonna choose a different color here. Cool. Okay, so I hope you got to know how to do it. And here you go. Now we have learned how to do horizontal scroll view. Now the question is that how can we do vertical scroll view? So for doing vertical scroll view, I'm gonna design a few things in a vertical way. Then I will show you how can we do vertical scroll view. So first I'm gonna add a rectangle here. So I'm gonna design a few things here. I'm gonna select a rectangle here. Here you go. Now I'm gonna add a radius. So either you can simply click on it and you can change it, or you can simply put the radius value over here. Let's say 40. Then you will also get it, and make sure that you have selected this one. This one means same radius for all the corners. If you want to have different radius for each corner, then click on it. Then you will get different type of options here. So click here, and I'm gonna add 30 here instead of 40. Here you go. So it looks pretty good, and let's add few things here. First I'm gonna change the design here. Add a background color. Need to add some basic color. Okay, this one. And if you want to remove the opacity, then you can simply do it by decreasing the appearance size here. Or we can have a color, different color. Alright, we can use this one. Now I'm gonna add a text here. So if you want to add a text here, then we can simply, you need to add a text here this way. And we can say topic 1, just for an example. It doesn't make any sense to write anything here, just to show you. And if you want to change the size of the text, then simply change it here, and we got this kind of design because of this text name. So I'm gonna change, because of this font name, I'm gonna change it something called Arial Black. And here you go. If you want to change the color of this one, then simply scroll down, and in the text, black to white. Now it looks pretty good. So we have this option here, right? And what can we do now? We need to perform vertical scroll view. So for doing this thing, first and foremost, we need to make them a group. So this rectangle and this text should be in a group, so that we can perform the repeat grid system. It's better to make a group. So select both, and you can do it in two ways. Either press Command G on your keyboard, or you can simply right click and then you can click on this group here. Now it has become a group. If you want to change the name of the group, you can change the name of the group. You can say topic. Here you go. Or there is an option here, I believe. Here you go. If you click on objects, you will be able to see this group option. Then you can see ungroup, because we have done our group already. That's why this ungroup option is available here. If you want, you can do it from here as well. So it's always better to remember few shortcut key. It will speed up your working process. Alright, so now we have our this group, and now select the group and click on this repeat grid. And now this time we need to perform vertical scroll view. So add as much as you want. Let's say this type of, this amount of. Now if I run it, I can do horizontal scroll view, but I can't do the vertical scroll view. Why I can't do it? The reason is that I did not select the horizontal, didn't select the vertical scroll view for this one. So select this group and click on this vertical scroll view, and once you will select it, you will see this one. If you want to decrease the size, then you can always do it this way, and then your data will be able to, then you will have to scroll it this way. Okay, it will depend on you. So if you want to change it, then simply you can do it. Alright, then you can do this full screen. So I hope you have learned how to perform horizontal scroll view and vertical scroll view in this part. And if you find it helpful, make sure that you subscribe my channel and also visit my website if you want to get more content and more courses on Udemy. Then join to my Facebook group and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.